Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and I don't often look through Thai cookbooks, so I went to the library and picked up Bangkok by Leela Punyaratabandhu, and I think we should look through it today together. And I'm sure I'm going to be desperately hungry for Thai food when we're done. Came out in 2017, starts off with a picture of Buddhas. I think we're going to see a lot of pictures of Thailand and Bangkok. Photography by David Loftus, and the publisher is 10 Speed Press. Okay, let's check out the chapters. Starts off with a Bangkok pantry, savory bites, rice accompaniments, set meals and one-plate meals, sweets, and at the end, basic recipes. My life as a Bangkokian. I'm going to read this later when I'm not on camera because I'm not really allowed to read it to you, and it's 3 pages of info. The food of Bangkok. A Bangkok kitchen in Chicago. Some photos. And about this book. And now, the Bangkok pantry. And they start off with boiled rice, how to make rice the old way versus the new way. Steamed glutinous rice. A picture of delicious looking rice in massive quantities. Plain rice porridge. Fried rice crackers, flour scented water. I can see why they don't have pictures of that because you don't need to see flour scented water. But look at this beautiful, colorful picture from the marketplace. The kitchen cupboard, things we'll need like faux river prawn tamale, pork cracklings and lard, something I won't find in my kitchen as a vegetarian, but I wanted you to know about it. All right, first chapter, savory bites. Ooh. Beautiful photo of steamed dumplings with chicken peanut filling, fresh spring rolls, and I'm not sure what that is. That spring rolls? I guess so. Okay. Rice noodle parcels with chili lime sauce. Ooh, grilled pork on skewers. And some little cultural info on Thailand. Grilled meatballs with spicy sweet and sour sauce. No picture. Rice crackers with pork, shrimp, coconut dip. This is definitely a different cookbook than I normally look through. I need to look through more Thai cookbooks because this is intriguing. Stuffed pancakes with beef filling and cucumber relish. As a vegetarian, I would substitute TVP, textured vegetable protein, for the beef filling. On bitter oranges, a little sidebar info about that. Sweet and sour crispy angel hair rice noodles. Now I can't show you the whole book, so I better start skipping ahead a little, but look at this beautiful temple photo. Okay, keep going. How about, ooh, I don't know what this is. It looks delicious. I think I have to turn back. I'm sorry for licking my fingers on a library book, but my germs will dry before anyone else gets it. That is egg net parcels with pork peanut filling. And I would have to substitute tofu or something for the pork if I was going to make this in my vegetarian household. And watermelon with fish dip. That is unusual. What? I'm not sure what's going on. Ooh, some step-by-step photos for making something. Rice accompaniments. We're in chapter 2 now. And I've got to be careful and not show you a ton of the book because that's not fair to the author. But chicken green banana curry. That would be so good in winter when you come back in from shoveling. Snow. Beef and cucumber curry. I knew we were going to see some good curries in this book. Oh, this is a sour curry of cha cakes and shrimp. Look at the color on that. I'm enjoying the food photography. Here is stir-fried lump crab meat with long beans and hot yellow chilies. This is beef green curry. Ooh, this is spicy beef tenderloin stir-fry with holy basil. My boyfriend would love that. He just likes beef, what can I say? Let's move ahead. Don't know what that is. This is pork belly green juice curry. It looks like the instructions are kind of long. kind of involved. Ooh, this is pretty. Braised chicken in coconut galangal cream sauce. I'm not a coconut fan, but I like it in Thai food. Shrimp paste relish and fried mackerel. Let's skip ahead. Ooh, spicy corn salad. That would be awesome in summer, wouldn't it? I can't take spicy myself. I'm a wimp. Crispy water spinach salad. Interesting. How about caramel braised eggs with pork belly? Some people would pronounce that caramel more properly than I do. I grew up saying caramel. Pork chops, cook shop style. That's definitely not what you would see on an American pork chop plate. How about, ooh, preserved radish omelet with crispy basil? I would never have thought to make preserved radishes and then put them in an omelet. I am very intrigued by this. Wow. Fried chicken with crispy garlic. That would be a boyfriend pleaser in my house for sure. Salted fish pork patties. I didn't expect to see so much pork. I thought there were a lot of Muslims in Thailand that wouldn't eat pork. Shrimp and glass noodles in clay pot. Skipping ahead. Oh, I don't know what this is. Let me go back and find out because that's a pretty picture. I wish it would say. It is rice vermicelli with fish curry. Okay. Rice vermicelli with chopped chicken curry and yellow chile coconut sauce. And that's on noodles instead of on rice. So did I skip to another chapter? Plain rice porridge with assorted accompaniments, including something with egg. Yum. Rice soup with fish and soy glazed pork yet again. There must be a lot of pigs in this country. Oh, here's some yellow rice, chicken and rice, Thai Muslim style. Oops. Yum. Okay, that means it doesn't have pork in it. Braised spare ribs in salted soybean sauce on rice. Okay, gotta move ahead. But this looks amazing. Okay. Poached chicken on rice with soy ginger sauce. That's not the picture I expected to see for that. Okay. Oh, creamy tom yum noodle soup with shrimp. I thought it was tom yum, but it's tom yam. Egg wrapped glass noodle pad thai with shrimp. Does not look like what happens when you're an American and ask for pad thai. Here's some more travel pictures of the city of Bangkok. Here is a delicious looking something that I have to go backwards to find out what it is. It is hand rolled rice noodle soup with pork dumplings. This is wide rice noodles in fermented soybean broth with seafood. I knew there'd be a lot of seafood in this book. But everything here I can adjust to a vegetarian or even vegan diet. Jade noodles with barbecued pork. I would just use tofu and barbecue it. Okay, let's get down. Are we in another chapter yet? Yes, sweets. I must have skipped a chapter in there. That's okay. You get the idea. The first sweet in the book is grilled wheat sticky rice with banana filling. Sorry, it's kind of hard to read this with the ring light shining on my face. Oh, what's this? It's 3 eggs and some powdered sugar. It's tapioca and Thai musk melon in fried coconut palm sugar syrup. What is musk melon? Okay. This is sour mango and salty palm sugar caramel dip. Twin crullers, i.e. fried goodness. Coconut rice pudding cakes. Those are cute. Some pictures from Thailand and of the market again. This is cute. Kuti chin sponge cakes. That's festive. I wonder if it's for a holiday. I guess I'll find out when I read the cookbook later. This does not look delicious, but I'm going to show it to you so you can be equally horrified. Baked custard with fried shallots. Okay, well, I like fried shallots. I'm just not sure that's a dessert item in my house. And this is a sweet roti. Oh, that looks good. And we're getting to the end. How about one more? Mango sundae with pandan coconut sticky rice. Yum! That was fascinating. I'm going to go look through it more slowly when I'm by myself and don't have you guys watching with me. That is Bangkok by Leela Punyaratabandhu. Thanks so much for looking. If you'd like to for watching. If you'd like to look at more of our cookbook review videos, you can find us on YouTube, the cookbookdivas.com website. We run a podcast and we post cookbook info and news to Facebook and Instagram. Bye.